Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Jijong and welcome to this free all-inclusive Linux course for absolute beginners. If you've heard about Linux but don't know what it's all about or where to start, you're in the right place. I'm a DevOps engineer with years of hands-on experience across different industries, from the cloud to high-scale infrastructures. I've seen firsthand how knowing Linux can completely transform your career prospect, especially in the tech world. I've also heard people say Linux is for people with a background in tech. But here's the good news. You don't need to be an IT professional or have an IT background to understand and benefit from Linux. Why? Because Linux is everywhere. It's the backbone of the internet. The software in many smart devices, such as smartphones, smart TVs, IoT devices, gaming devices, and even in cars. And it powers some of the world's biggest companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, and even Netflix. There is this idea out there that Linux is complicated and only for people with a background in tech. But that's not true. Linux is not complicated, and learning it does not require any technical background. In this course, I'm going to take you step by step from absolute zero, no IT background, no prior tech experience, just curiosity and the willingness to learn to become a confident Linux user. Together, we will explore the fundamentals, break down the myths, and make Linux easy, accessible, and maybe even fun. And did I mention this course is 100% free with no strings attached? Why? Because I believe that knowledge is meant to be shared, and Linux is one of the most empowering tools for leveling up your skills, kickstarting a career in technology, or trying something new. Learning Linux will open up incredible opportunities for you, believe me. Whether you want to be a cybersecurity engineer, a systems engineer, a DevOps engineer, a cloud engineer, or even a software developer, learning Linux will help you get there. And this course will show you exactly how to get there. So, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, a curious learner, or someone thinking about a career shift to tech, this course is for you. Please hit that subscribe button, grab a cup of coffee, and embark on this exciting journey of learning Linux. In my next video, I will explain what Linux is and why it's important for you to know it. Thank you for watching this video, and please remember to hit that subscribe button, and see you in my next video.